Today, I'm going to tell you 5 ways by which you can solve maths easily and very quickly. Many people ask why I'm not able to do maths. Maths is not just to learn, maths is just the art of solving questions by a complicated mind. You should have a mind of different thinking for solving maths. You should have a sharp and quick mind. But people will say, if I don't have a sharp and quick mind, can I not succeed in maths? No, it's not a correct thing. Succeeding in maths depends upon your practice. Many people are good at learning subjects. They score high marks in learning subjects, but they are very weak in maths. You can become good and best at maths by following some ways. You will get many videos on YouTube which will tell you to maintain a diary, do this or do that. You need to do this, you need to do that. But no friends, you don't need to do that. First of all, math depends upon formulae. And formula comes from a very logical concept of mathematics or arithmetics. You need to understand formula, how this happens, because if you will go detail study a formula on Google, you will find y will do base into height to find a area of a parallelogram or rhombus. There is a logic behind everything in maths, and if you understand that logic, you can succeed in maths by every way. And the some other tips are that you can maintain a formula diary. Yes, that's very good, but maintaining a formula diary will not lead you to get good marks in maths. You need to understand the basic of maths. For example, if you know what is isosceles triangle, what is equilateral triangles, you can solve hardest to hardest formulas related to this topic. You need to solve formula, and if you are not able to solve any question, you can refer Google or any other guide which you want to know. You can self-study maths because math depends upon self-study. The more you self-study maths, the more you practice maths, the more you will understand maths. You need to do many things to understand a thing. Because I give you an example. If you don't understand a question, refer dictionary, refer calculator. Do everything you can to understand that word which you don't understand in the literature or something. But in math, you can't do that. If you have a book of class 1 to 10th, or basically from 9th to 11th, you can buy a guide and find answers of that question. You may understand that question. You understand how the answer came. You may practice this thousands of times to understand how it came. Because if you learn maths, you can do nothing. You can practice questions similar based on similar topics of that question. Math is just about practice. The more you'll practice math, the more you'll conquer it. And secondly, math is only the thing, if you will understand the basic of math, you can do everything because the formula base into height into base, 1 plus 1 will always remain 2. If you will become an engineer or if you will become Anil Ambani or anything, for you 1 plus 1 will be 2 only. Some more topics for maths, some more tips for math is that math is a game of practice. But if you don't practice and you are very slow at math, your answers come correct, but you are slow at math, and your exam paper is left to left the questions which you know, still leave that questions. You can do a thing. Tables are very important part of maths. You need to learn tables from 1 to 20. And in your holiday time, you can learn the tables such that if I ask you what is 7 sevens are, you can suddenly answer. You don't need to read the full table like 7 is a 7, 7 is a 14. Like this, it will take your time in exam. You need to remember quick and approach. You can train your brain like this by learning them harder and harder. You need to know the squares, roots, and cubes of numbers for easy calculation in maths because this will help you in the whole journey of maths. So friends, these were the tips from mine. If you will like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. and we'll start tips on maths, and we will solve each and every chapter, complicated to complicated, algebra and mensurations of the maths in our next video. Till then, stay to our channel, and if you like the video, please subscribe.